Hi friends, welcome back. So it is currently 9:15 in the morning. I'm supposed to be ready by 9:30. I was supposed to get up at 8:30. I couldn't find it in myself to get up so early because we went to bed kind of late yesterday, and we're gonna be headed out to Hesperia today. I think it's Hesperia, but Thomas has been wanting to go to Hesperia to go gun shooting. If you don't know that about him, well now you know. He loves gun shooting and he's been wanting to go, so he planned this whole thing out so we could go out. And it's gonna be like deserted, so we're not really gonna be close to anybody. I think we're not, because it's like a big shooting range or something, and we're gonna be going with his sister and his brother-in-law. So yeah, that's gonna be our day today. By the way, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna have to take out some good old jeans because I haven't worn jeans in a hot minute. That'll make us feel good, you know, going out somewhere safe where there's not, you know, a lot of people, and being able to wear jeans, because Thomas always wears jeans, but I have not been wearing jeans. I've been wearing sweats, joggers, and leggings for the most part, but I'm excited to get ready and go out, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna try to finish doing my makeup really quick because he's gonna be here like in 10 minutes. And we're here. Look at, we found a little phone. Oh, this is loud. He needs to keep it down a little. Look at all the shells. These are old. What if I find something in here? I'll put these little things on. Babe, careful with my phone. Oh, that's better.
Easier, huh?
Yeah. Estamos con la comadre. Thomas is excited. How excited are you, babe?
Oh my god.
¿Dónde está la foto esa? ¿Dónde está la foto?
¿Cuál?
Carol Baskins. Where is she?
I didn't bring it, no.
You didn't bring it? Ah, why? Oh, that's loud.
No lo has puesto, güey.
Parece niño.
Got some kick, dog. Mames.
Tranquilo.
Monta mi cohete.
Ya se cree, ya se cree.
Yeah, she hit it.
Woo! Babe, that one's really, really hard. Hoy mira, podemos agarrar botes. Could recycle here. I'm not doing that one.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Pero. No, you do it first. Make sure it works.
In there. Okay?
Let me see the bullet. Oh, oh, that's really loud. Fuck! Did it hurt? Let me see. Yeah? Oh. Double protection. Cuidado que te meto un tiro right now. I'm scared.
So how does it feel shooting a shotgun?
Yeah?
Yeah. Slowly.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Look.
Ahora sí, baby.
Ya no quiero nada. Is that the biggest one?
It's just
Did you see me?
Yeah, you gotta have it more aquí.
You said right here.
I told you right here.
Mira, también acá no se lo.
Es que you guys are letting it slip. You have to put it in your chest, right here in the pecho.
That's where you put it on me.
That's where we.
your chest. I don't know where your chest is at.
Either way. Either way, it's gonna do it. Damn, that thing kicks bad.
What about this one? You think it's gonna kick bad?
Oh, is that the one that has the pineapple?
Yeah.
Have it turned around? It's got a pineapple there. Oh, mi presión. My heart's palpitating really fast. Oh, it's worse than working out. Girl. That looks nice. I like the smell.
You excited? You like it?
I said you have a target on your penis. Ouch! Is that the strongest one? Look at how romantic. He's teaching her too. The guy, he's teaching her lady how to shoot. Mira, me tapaste, montaño.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god, look how little it is. Su little colita.
You can fry one of those up whole?
Babe.
This French chop?
No.
Yeah. Hi friends.
No.
Oh.
It's the end.
Hey friends, thanks for watching. It was great today. Have a good night. Bye friends. Chido? Nice outro? Chido?
Oh, I like that. Hola, amigos.
Hola amigos. Adios
Adios,
amigos.
amigos.